Set sail on an unforgettable 3-hour journey through Alaska's rich history and breathtaking landscapes. Leave the crowds behind for a personalized adventure through the Upper Lynn Canal, a place where glaciers, history, and wildlife collide. Your local guide will share captivating stories about shipwrecks, Klondike Gold Rush ports, and America's deepest fjord. Marvel at over 15 cascading waterfalls, a testament to the power of the glaciers that shaped this land. Join us for a journey through Alaska's natural wonders and discover the untold beauty of this extraordinary place. Book today and return with memories that will last a lifetime.